Pengrang, good morning. Aro changsa thai anga nasong na sakso angi getal pa blog ko anga garo si blog blogging kana namin kusi wadal aro ndaken brother Simon sangma debragrioni onga bia angko ino rumchakra bini ripeng dongacham neng mong singa Manggakgre village dongphainga aro ni rokinga biabrang songrang namin ga subi barong thala and again nasong nagta mangen yan Manggakgre song ni Rama aro ndaken Rama se phangon chidare donga nasmang ko anga mesoken. So good afternoon, and my brother Simon Sangma is with me, and I am here at in a small water stream, waterfall we can call it, and this is the village where I am, Manggakgre, and this is the interior part. We can say that the interior part of the Garo hills here, and Mr. Simon is accompanying me, showing the waterfall here. This is the waterfall here. Yanon auna muksuna gamot ansing bian ni biap una wan namat sanggapa biap yan ibo chidare namin ansing dia yan ibo. Show you that upper portion here. See how the villagers have met this. Okay, let me show the upper portion. So very beautiful here, and let me show you the lower portion here. Mr. Simon is here, the other side of the waterfall, and here this is the village road, and this small stream had to cross the road here. There is no better road condition. Here you can see that's the paddy field, the people are going the side, and this is the small waterfall at the lower part.